Here, I don't have to make it obvious. Who is that guy?
Why
Oh,
he's
poor
so
guy.
attractive.
Bridget, do you have any words to say to this? Oh, fine. Okay, good thing I missed that. Okay. Oh my god, do it.
Dude, we should have went inside. Yeah.
Can I have some ketchup too?
Why'd you ask for an extra small?
Small
Fry.
and a large fry.
Why?
I don't know. What is this?
That's mine.
That's Nina's.
Here you go, Nina.
Yay.
Where's your cone?
Shh. What the fuck did you just do?
Ketchup.
Thank you. What did you throw? The hot chocolate in the
Oh my god. Wait, move your head. I have to record this. Move your head.
Oh my god. He's about to do it.
Wait, why didn't you just grab it?